Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I will show you how to open a business bank account in Bulgaria. So let's get started. So here I will just Google and I will directly search for top business bank account in Bulgaria. Okay, so here we have, so here you can see. So the first bank is our DSK bank, then we have Union Credit, then we have UBB bank, another bank. So in this video I'm going to show you how to open a bank account on Union Credit. So Union Credit Bulgaria. So we'll just go here. Okay, so there have online banking and we have banking, then we have credit, then card, savings, investment and other things. Okay, so you can just go to banking, then you have account, and here will legal entity also. I will just go to the account. Okay, so to open a business account, basically you have to visit your nearest branch, so to verify, because business verification is required for any type of business account opening. Okay, so if you come here, then you have to go to your nearest branch for your current account or the business account. So to opening a business account, you will require minimum 18 years old, and you should have a business document, and there is some minimum fees will be required, so you can open. So this is how we can just open it. So if you find this video helpful, make sure you like, subscribe and share the video. Thank you for watching.